up, YouTube? Well, you have tuned in to another crazy adventure with Wildcat Adventures. Buckle up, fasten your seatbelt, and scream if you want to go faster. Whoa! We're up in Yorkshire and it is blowing a gale. Wow! And I am with Gumby and Lad Outdoors. Wow! We must be crazy camping in this, I'm telling you. Jesus Christ. We're here. Is it going to be open? Please be open. It doesn't look like it's got a lock on. Oh my God. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Oh, I'm pleased with this.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Happy days.
Oh, it's nice to get out of that wind. That is a bit mental out there. It's a shame it's not a better day, to be fair. It's a cracking view. Tell you what, that wind's actually dropping down now. Oh, it's all right, isn't it? Very nice. Cosy tonight. Oh, get that log fire on. Bit of wood, which is excellent. Nice fire. Yeah, be very, very cosy in it. Happy days. Kindling sorted, get this fire going, get it all roaring. That'll do?
I dare say.
About right.
Yeah.
Got a bit of cotton wool soaked in Vaseline, so it should quick work. Sorted. Like a shot. Right, time to get some dinner on the go. And Cameron with Paul, who's done me a Yeti brekkie with hash brown special. So yes, I am going to have that for my dinner because it's absolutely banging and I love it. So. Right, let's get this on the go. I think we're about ready. Pretty hot. Been on for nearly 10 minutes. Get this bad boy open. Tasty, tasty. Oh. Sausage and beans. What else is in there?
There's 3 or 4 Cumberland sausages, 4 rashers of bacon, half a tin of beans, pepper, brown sauce, and 2 hash browns.
Nice.
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 Said nice, bruv.
Nice.
Yeah, nice one, bruv, yeah.
Oh, nice one, brother.
Nice one, brother.
Nice one, brother.
I said, nice, bruv.
Right. Taste test. You know this is going to be good. I'll bring it back in a bit. This is life, eh?
Can't beat it. Still get wild out there though, innit, with that wind. Definitely a night to be in a Bothy, that's for sure.
Yeah, 60 mile an hour is pushing the capability of most tents. Or at least being able to put one up. Yeah.
Some other?
Oh, maybe foil. Yeah, it's foil. control, Paul. Come on now.
I wouldn't have used
Do I need to ask for a refund?
I wouldn't have used any foil
Hmm.
because I do the sausage in the air fryer, and that's got a Teflon rubber dish.
And they weren't stored in foil or...
No, they were in the come in a
Yeah.
plastic thing.
Where you have them from?
Asda.
Asda. I want my money back. Want Paul's money back. Give it to me.
Well, as blame as you claim.
Do you like to use real termite meals when you're camping? Or generally dehydrated food? I'm pretty sure they all have this secret trick. You've been doing it wrong. So, what you need to do is open the bottom like this. It's a bit tough. There we go. That's one. Come on. So, this now does several things. One, you can sit it down flat. Two, when you measure the water, it actually goes to the right level. And three, you don't get the dry bits in the corners. That's the most important thing. It's a game changer. Try it. Okay, nice flat base to work from, and there's no little corners, so I'm not going to have any little crappy dry bits in there. Fill line there. Yep, that's about right. Give it a quick stir. And let it sit for a couple of minutes. Job done. Thank me later. In fact, you thank me in the comments.
You're sorry?
Yeah. I have a different pump now.
Oh, I didn't notice.
This is the one tigress.
Oh, square pump.
You are?
You got square pump.
A square pump, yeah, I do. Should we see who pumps up first? Ready? Oh, you got a head start.
I didn't start.
Oh, shit. One tigress pump. Winner. Oh, that's tail. Wow, that is taking a long time.
Big map.
I feel like that one's small. Yours is long and wide, mine's just wide.
That's what she said.
So Paul's on the Nemo Tensor Extreme. Bit overkill for body, I'm going to say, mate.
It's like using a new kit, that's all it is.
It's my new
Playing
map.
with new toys.
It's like when you're a kid, isn't it? And you get new shoes and you go to bed in your shoes. Did you ever do that? Or was that
No, never did that.
So yeah, I mean yours is a bit longer, but they are quite a comparable size, I
Yeah, I
would
would
say.
say so, yeah. Yeah.
There we go. I am going to do a proper review on the one tigress pump. So I've got another pump as well from another company. So I'm going to do like a 3-way pump battle.
You're going to have a 3-way?
Yes, Paul.
Yes.
It's going to be pumping.
A pumping 3-way.
Yeah. Right then. I think it's about time for bed. I think it's about 12:30 now. Been having a good catch up by the fire. just enjoying the tunes, and yeah, it's time to get in bed. So I will catch you in the morning. Night. Morning. Slept all right, not too bad. Oh, I always find whenever I'm sleeping on like a hard surface that I wake up with a little bit of a stiff back, but apart from that, near bad like. It's probably time to get coffee on the go. Time to get coffee on the go. And I've got a new little gadget. This is a jet boil coffee press. So I thought that was an absolute genius when I saw it in Go Outdoors. If you get it from Go Outdoors, don't forget the price match. Yeah. Right. Put coffee in. And let that brew for a minute. What the oh, I forgot to put the lid on. Okay. It's just like a cafetiere press then. Just pop it down, just to push the grounds below the water surface, but not all the way down. Right, it's had a few minutes, so pop the plunger down. I won't go down very far because there's a bit of a lip on these. And coffee away. Proper coffee. Oh, nice cup of coffee. Proper coffee. Oh, yeah, that's good. Time to start packing down. Oh, the sun's making a little appearance, finally. I think it might be a disappointing one this morning. Let's do this. It would help if I got the right one. Doing it better than you found it. Paul's giving it a good clean up. Doing a grand job, our kid. Okay, leave no trace. Better than we found it, actually. Giving it a nice good clean up. Left a bit of wood and kindling for the next lot. All good. Time to hit the road. Taking a bit of other people's rubbish with us as well. We had a nice chat with the guy from the estate who came up to make sure we were looking after the place. Yeah, do remember if you're staying in Bothy's, you know, don't leave any rubbish. Leave it better than you found it. Give it a quick sweep, bit of a clean on the sides. And just be respectful of the place, basically. Otherwise, they get closed and, you know, we all suffer then, don't we? Right. It's trying to brighten up. No. That's brave to walk back to the car. It's a bit better than it was yesterday anyway. Don't forget, if you've liked this video, subscribe, comment and like. I want to get up to 10,000 and I'm in a competition, so you've got to help me. I need to win this competition. Right, catch you on the next one. Empty feet cribs.